Hi, I'm Katarina. I'm a food innovator, an entrepreneur, and a serious foodie with dietary differences. At the age of 21, I built Dolled Up Desserts, an award-winning gluten-free and vegan bakery where sacrifice or missing out on indulgent treats was not on the menu. We were central to your weddings, your birthdays, or just an afternoon pick-me-up. 8 years later, I am ready to share the magic that made Dolled Up Desserts the best gluten-free, dairy-free, and vegan treats around. This is the story of Dolled Up Desserts, told one recipe or cookie at a time. So slice yourself some cake and come share an inclusive dessert, the Dolled Up Desserts recipe capsule.